Now you're recording.
Not loud enough that they can hear us, man.
That's highly not that fucking here. We can can't fucking hear Lord. But we need some people with long range guns on tree line trying to take them out how they did to us.
Everyone else who has a good trigger finger, take village.
Take village. People that have rental guns, do not stay back. Your guns will not reach at all. At all. Trust me. Get up there and be aggressive. Have fun. Trust me, you'll have way more fun if you're aggressive. I'm a 350-pound fat ass, and my fat ass is up in the front line all day. It's been up first game, up there.
If you stay in the back, Nick's gonna bonk you with that stick.
But we need to take mid. And let's go! All
right, just like that. Oh, sorry, brother.
Go ahead. Going in on E6. Line!
Gotta push up somehow.
I know.
Sorry.
That's all right.
Trying to see where I can get up.
We got. Okay, I see him over there.
Yeah.
The wood pile. Wood pile.
Whoa,
Wood
whoa.
pile. Watch on your right. Watch on your right. About 11. 11. Far right behind the tree.
Is there somewhere to push up? Oh, sorry. Is there somewhere to push up to?
Oh shit! God damn it! Where's he at? Oh, I see him.
Can you push out or no? There's nowhere to go to, huh?
Yes, every time, I know they're gonna do that. It scares like crap out of me every time. I know it's coming.
A5, A5! B7, grenade!
I got hit. I got hit.
Watch out, watch out. Right here. He's behind it. Can you see that behind the wood?
Is that your second time or first time?
Huh?
First time or second time? Is that your first time?
That's my first time.
How many were you? We only have two?
Response, so
Huh?
one more.
Okay. All right.
Watch wood pile. He's gonna clear sight through window.
Thank you.
A2, watch A2. A5, yeah, there's a guy kicking the door. Alright.
A3 up top, nothing can really see it.
What, hotel?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. You think I'm good to move to A8?
There's a guy popping his head up at the top of C3.
Okay, alright. What's it called? B7 is right across from me, right?
Yes, the one right in front of you.
Alright.
I'm just poking out behind the wall.
Alright, I've got a guy on A2. Alright, I'm gonna move to A8. Oh, not A8. B7? B7.
Go wherever you want. I reckon going now.
Shit.
Yeah, you completely disconnected.
Oh, shit.
You right?
Yeah, good.
Okay.
One more.
I was twice as aggressive and I died quicker, but it was way more fun.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm just gonna die. I was like, Ivan, let's go for it, and then I got hit.
Hold on.
Let's go for it.
Yeah, hold on.
Which way fast, that way?
Okay, hold on. So over here, there's not a lot of cover, but there's only like two guys over here.
But it's more strategical. I feel like if you have badass guns, I think we should just go this way.
Okay.
But let's cover each other.
Okay.
Alright. We could,
Push up to that where that guy's
What
at.
the fuck came here?
I would say push up to B7.
Or 7.
I'm down.
Okay. 1, 2, go.
There you are. There's a guy on this tree right in front of us.
Sean tree in front. Yeah, over there behind the tree. Yep.
Where are they at?
Over here on behind the
woods.
yep,
Very
wedge
far
tree.
Far left, far left. Far left.
Oh yeah, you can see him from here. He's right there.
Oh, okay. Wait.
Over there in that tree.
Reloading. Hold on.
Okay. He's down. He's down.
Let me know if anyone with an M4 needs more ammo, because I've got a bunch of M4 mags.
What's on this side?
Oh no.
Who's that over there, Dan?
Yeah, Danny.
Well, I'm gonna cover you. You can push with him.
Watch building past 8-5.
Danny! Hey, right behind you! Danny's right behind that shit.